Welcome to WebUI Training, Purchase Order Course 1535, RRAR Maintain Header Info. This training video will demonstrate how to maintain purchase order header info on RRARs in the Demand Center. The key fields include dates, lead time, consolidate, combine inquiry, add-ons, and increase and decrease. Before starting, you will need to have completed the following courses. After making your line item purchasing decisions and before merging the RRAR, you can make any changes that you would typically make on the purchase order entry transaction header screen by accessing the Header tab inside the Demand Center. As you scroll down, you will see Bill to and Ship to information, followed by shipping information on the left column. Included in the shipping information is the due date and requested ship date. These dates are not required and do not have to be filled out. Left blank, these dates will populate based on the lead time of the items on the PO that you merge. If you populate the due date, this date will actually flush to all the line items on the purchase order and be populated in the purchase order header. The requested ship date, the date that you're asking your vendor to ship, also does not have to be populated, but will default in. Additional information such as ship via and order disposition are also available. If you wish for the lead time to be ignored on this purchase order, you may check the lead time box to indicate that the lead time should be ignored. Left unchecked, the lead time will be calculated into the average lead time for the products on the purchase order. You may also decide to consolidate purchase orders from multiple product lines or multiple warehouses into one purchase order. To do this, check the product lines and/or warehouses fields under the Consolidate section. Consolidating product lines indicates you wish to take all product lines associated with this vendor for a specific warehouse and combine into one purchase order. Checking the warehouses field indicates that you want to consolidate all RRARs for this vendor for all warehouses for the same product line. A combination of both boxes checked indicates one purchase order for all product lines and warehouses associated with this vendor. Once you've checked these boxes, if you scroll to the bottom, there is a Combine Inquiry screen available. This screen will show RRARs that are set to be consolidated. In this case, we're working on report number 230. You'll notice there are 3 dots in the Combine question field. Above that, there are 2 other RRARs for the same vendor. You'll notice that the first one, report number 228, is set to combine. Yes indicates there are no problems. Report number 229 indicates no, that it will not combine with RRAR number 230 because the ship via is different. At this point, you have an option to change the ship via on the report you're working on or all other reports to get the header information to match. Add-ons can also be added in the Purchase Order Demand Center header screen. All 4 add-ons are available to be added, as is the Freight Expected flag. One additional piece of information that is available is under the Actions tab. You'll notice that an Increase and Decrease option is available. Selecting this will open the Increase-Decrease screen. You have 2 options under Increase-Decrease. First, you can increase or decrease your RRAR by a certain percentage, which will change all items that currently exist on the RRAR by that percentage. The preferred option is to change the review cycle days. In this case, our RRAR is set to 7 review cycle days. We can actually change our review cycle to an additional amount to increase the RRAR and click Save, and this runs the RRAR again for us, increasing the line points to bring more items into the RRAR. Once you've completed your task, always click Save to save your changes. Congratulations! You have just completed Course 1535, RRAR Maintain Header Info. Now it's time to try it out. Go to Employees at Work, click the WebUI Train icon, and follow the instructions to log in. Here's your suggested next course.